Butt sweat is a common issue that can occur due to hot weather or nervousness. To combat butt sweat, choose underwear made of moisture-wicking fabrics like polyester or nylon. Loose-fitting pants made of breathable materials such as cotton or linen can also help. Dark-colored clothing can hide sweat stains. Applying baby powder or talcum powder between the butt cheeks can help absorb extra moisture. Using a fragrance-free antiperspirant on the buttocks can reduce sweat production, but be cautious of potential skin irritation. If itchiness occurs, use powders like anti-monkey butt or Gold Bond powder. Cleaning the buttocks with baby wipes or adult wipes throughout the day can provide comfort. Avoid sitting for prolonged periods to prevent sweat pooling. Use antibacterial soap to wash your butt and avoid foods that can make sweat smell worse. Excessive butt sweat might indicate an underlying medical issue, so consult a doctor if needed.